Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Muhammad. So I want to present my PPL project. My name Abdul. My name is 33250024. I want a presentation of degree of comparison. What is a degree of comparison? Degree of comparison is a grammatical form used to compare the quality of people, object, place, or idea. There are three degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. Next is the positive degree. The positive degree is indicate the absence of comparison. This degree simply describes the quality of a subject or noun, even when used in a comparison. The positive degree can only be used in a comparison of equal using the phrase as. Consider the following example. You need to be as smart as Nadia in order to beat her in the test. So the structure is you, subject, and B, and the adjective as, subject again, and the noun or pronoun. Next is comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to in sentence to compare two things. If you're using an adjective, you can add the suffix. Comparative degree. The comparative degree. The comparative degree is used in sentence to compare two things. If you're using an adjective, you can add the suffix or ir, depending on which letter that adjective end with. You can also use the word more or less. However, if you are using an adverb, you simply add more or less before the adverb. The comparative degree means more. Take a look at the example. So, compared to chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream is cheaper. You have to drive less slowly to catch the flight. Next is superlative degree. The superlative degree is used in sentence to compare three or more things within the context of the sentence. You can add the suffix s or yes, or the word most and or least to an adjective. However, if you are using an adverb, you can only use the word most or least. Of course, you must remember to use the definite article the before the superlative. The superlative meaning is more than. Here are some example of English sentence using the superlative. Catherine fought the most impressively of all the competitors. I think James played guitar the least beautiful compared to all the contestants. This is the sentence from the mass media. The economy is in a better position than many economists expected. This is the sentence from the mass media. The economy is in a better position than many economists expected. The degree of the comparison is the degree of comparison is a comparative. The comparative word is a better. Best adjective is a good. The pattern is comparative adjective plus then. The explanation is better is the illegal comparative from a good. The sentence compared the actual condition of the economy with the economist. expectation and indicate that the economy performed more positively than anticipated. The next is it was the largest election in history. The degree of the comparison is superlative. The superlative word is largest. The best adjective is large. The structure is the plus adjective and as. Explanation is the adjective large become largest by adding us. The phrase indicates that the election exceeded all other elections in size, making it the highest ranking member of the category. Next is a correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction are pair of words that work together to connect idea in a sentence. They always come into like either or not only but also and helps show how two parts of a sentence relate to each other. For example, you can either take the bus or walk to school. Not only did he finish his homework, but he also cleaned his room. This word pair makes sentence smoother, clearer, and more balanced. They can show choice, result, or simply link to equal idea in a sentence. Using them correctly make your writing so natural and easy to follow. Here is the original sentence. Both and both and she enjoys both reading and painting in her free time. The structure is subject and plus both plus verb plus and plus verb. Function is to capture two positive and equally important idea. Next is either and or. We can either order a pizza or cook something at home. Function is to present a choice between two alternatives, neither nor and nor. Neither the laptop nor the charger was working. The function is to connect two negative alternatives and indicate that neither is true. The last is not only and but also. He not only fixed the car, but also was it for me. The function is to add information and emphasize the second idea. This is the sentence from mass media. Both and. The agreement is expected to benefit both consumer and business. The correlative conjunction is a both and. The starter is both plus noun plus and noun. Function is add to entity that are to expected to receive the same benefit. The meaning is the agreement is advantageous for both groups, not just one of them. And last, not only but also. The project will not only create jobs but also improve infrastructure. The structure is not only plus for price plus but also plus for price. The function is add a second benefit while emphasizing that the project has multiple positive outcomes. The meaning is the project has a dual impact, employment generation and infrastructure improvement. Here the paragraph one, the student which won the competition is my friend. She met a professor whose book was published last year. The library where it was renovated personally is very modern. I have a classmate who he study linguistics every day. The laptop who I bought yesterday is already broken. The lecturer that she teaches syntax is very popular among students. The building which we discussed about yesterday will be demolished soon. The researcher whom article received an award work at famous university. This is the campus that where I studied for 4 years. The scholarship is it was offered by the government attracted many applicants. This is the grammatical error. So the first sentence is the student which won the competition is my friends. The error is which is used for things, not the subject people. The correction is who. Next sentence, she met a professor whose book was published last year. The error is whose books. Next sentence, the library where it was renovated recently is very modern. Or I have a classmate whose he studies linguistics every day. The wrong word is whose. Whose indicate a possession. So we just change it to who. I have classmate who he study linguistics every day. Next, the laptop who I bought yesterday is already broken. The wrong word is who is for uh, subject people. So change it to that. Six, the lecturer that she teach syntax is very popular among students. The building which we discussed about yesterday will demolish soon. A, the researcher from whom article received an award. A, the researcher whom article received an award worked at a famous university. 9, this is the campus that where I studied for 4 years. And the scholarship which it was offered by the government attracted many applicants. This is the correct paragraph. The student who won the competition is my friend. She met a professor whose book were published last year. The library, which was renovated recently, is very modern. I have a classmate who study linguistics every day. The laptop that I bought yesterday is already broken. The lecturer who teaches a science text is very popular among students. The building which we discussed yesterday will be demolished soon. The researcher whose article received an award works at a famous university. It is the campus where I studied for 4 years. The scholarship which was offered by the government attracted many applicants. Paragraph 2. My university is more large than the university in my hometown. Among all students in my class, Sarah is the most smartest student. This semester is more easier than the previous one. The library is the quietest than the cafeteria. English is very interesting than mathematics for many students. My laptop is expensiver than my friend's laptop. Of the three presentations, John's presentation was more best. The new classroom is the more comfortable room in the building. Traveling by train is most cheap than traveling by plane today. Plane. Today weather is better than yesterday weather. This is the grammatical error. First sentence is my university is more large than the university in my hometown. The error is more large. The error is incorrect comparative from. The correction is larger. Two, Sarah is the most smartest student. The wrong grammatical is most smartest. Three, this semester is more easier than the previous one. Wrong grammatical is a double comparison. Is the more easier. The comparative adjective should not be preceded by more. Or the library is the quietest than the cafeteria. The wrong grammatical is the quietest is using superlative use instead of comparative. So use so the quietest is changed to quieter, so quieter than the cafeteria. But English is interesting than mathematics. Interesting is incorrect comparative formation. So change it to more interesting. Six, my laptop is expensiver than my friend laptop. This time, like the sentence five, is error from incorrect comparative formation. The word of expensiver. John's presentation was more best. Grammatical is double comparison is the word of more best. Like the new classroom is the more comfortable room in the building. The wrong grammatical is more comfortable. Comparative use is used comparative instead of superlative. So change it to most comfortable. 9. Traveling by train is most cheap than traveling by plane. 10. Today weather is better than yesterday weather. Better is the incorrect illegal comparative. So here the correct paragraph. My university is larger than the university in my hometown. Among all students in my class, Sarah is the smartest student. This semester is easier than the previous one. The library is quieter than the cafeteria. English is more interesting than mathematics for many students. My laptop is more expensive than my friend's laptop. Of the three presentations, John's presentation was the best. The new classroom is the most comfortable room in the building. Traveling by train is cheaper than traveling by plane. Today weather is worse than yesterday weather. Last paragraph 3. Both lecturer or the student were interested in the seminar. Either the manager and the staff member are responsible for the project. Neither the teacher or the student was prepared for the presentation. Not only does the library provide digital resources and also offers study space, the researcher is interested both in collecting data and to analyze the result whether the meeting will be online and offline has not been decided yet. No sooner had the lecture start when several students arrived late. Scarcely had I finished my assignment, then the lecturer announced a, a new text. Such was the difficulty of the exam that so many students failed it. Rather, the professor then also the assistant conducted the workshop. This is the grammatical error. First, both the lecturer or the student were interested in the seminar. So the wrong word is the or. So both is wrong. So or is wrong correlative pair with a both. Two, either the manager and the staff member are responsible for the project. The wrong grammatical is and is wrong correlative pair to either. Three, neither the teacher or the student was prepared for the presentation. The wrong is or is a wrong correlative pair to neither. Or not only does the library provide digital resource and also offer study space, and is a wrong Correlative correlative pair with not only. 5. The researcher is interested both in collecting data and to analyze the result. N is like parallel to structure, so the correct is both. The researcher is interested both in collecting and in analyze the result. 6. Whether the meeting will be online or offline has not been decided yet. N is wrong correlative pair with whether. No sooner had the lecture started when several students arrived late. When is a wrong correlative pair with no sooner. Like, scarcely had I finished my assignment that the lecturer announced a new text. Then is wrong correlative pair to scarcely. Such was the difficulty of the exam that so many students failed it. So is a redundant intensifier, so remove so. So the correct from sentence nine is that was the difficulty of the exam that many students failed it, and rather the professor then also the assistant conducted the workshop. So the correct is rather than assistant, the professor conducted the workshop. So this is the correct paragraph. Both the lecturer and the student were interested in the seminar. Either the manager or the staff member are responsible for the project. Neither the teacher nor the student were prepared for the presentation. Not only does the library provide digital resource, but also offers study space. The researcher is interested both in collecting data and in analyzing the result. Whether the meeting will be online or offline has not been decided yet. No sooner had the lecturer started than several students arrived late. Scarcely had I finished my assignment when the lecturer announced a new task. Such was the difficulty of the exams that many students failed it. Rather than the assistant, the professor conducted the workshop. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.